So your Starlink just arrived, and now you want to attach a different stand or mount to your Starlink so that you can install it. But before that, you'll have to remove the kickstand that comes pre-installed. When we got ours, it seemed like there's no way to take it off, as there was no screw, and we also tried to pry and pull it, but there was no give. Eventually we figured it out, and turns out it's not that hard at all. So let me share with you how to remove the kickstand of your Starlink dish without breaking it in just a few seconds. So first, what you want to do is collapse the kickstand so that it's flat. This will give us leverage to pull the stand out. Now what you need to do is put your thumb inside this tab and pull it upwards. You can see there's two tabs that's holding it in place. So just pull it firmly with your thumb and at the same time pull the stand towards you. It may take a bit of strength, but eventually you'll be able to take it off. You can do it more easily if you use both of your hands. Just put in both your thumbs inside the crease and pull it towards you, and it will come off so easily, like it was never attached before. Now that the stand is removed, you can see all the other mounts will have the same mechanism, so you just align them in place, push it inside with both of your thumbs, and you'll hear an audible click. Now it's locked in place. So that's how you can remove the built-in kickstand of your Starlink dish and replace it with a different stand.